Today we are diving into a series of push-ups, each uniquely beneficial. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups are scientifically proven to improve muscle strength, enhance cardiovascular fitness, and boost overall body control and balance. They are effective because they involve compound movements, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Let's begin our journey towards strength, endurance, and functional fitness. First, all-rounder push-up. This targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It is a cornerstone of bodyweight training, enhancing muscle endurance and promoting cardiovascular health. By engaging the core, it also helps in developing overall body stability.
Start in a plank position, hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Elbow close to your body. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your chest, arms, and core. This fundamental exercise enhances upper body strength and core stability. Remember to keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement.
Next is knee push-ups. This is ideal for beginners. This variation targets similar muscle groups as the normal push-up, but it reduces the load. Knee push-ups are perfect for gradually building upper body strength and preparing the body for more advanced movements.
Kneel on the ground, hands placed forward, shoulder width apart, bend your elbows to lower your chest towards the floor. Then push back up. This variation reduces strain on your upper body, making it easier to build strength gradually. It targets the chest, arms, and shoulders, while still engaging the core.
Let's move to decline push-ups. Elevating your feet shifts the focus to your upper chest and shoulders. This variation increases muscle activation in the upper pectorals and deltoids, enhancing strength and muscle development in those areas.
Place your feet on an elevated surface, hands on the ground, forming an inclined plank. Lower your body, keeping your back straight and core engaged. This variation intensifies the focus on the upper chest and shoulders, offering a challenging twist to the classic push-up. It's excellent for building upper body strength and muscular endurance.
Next is diamond push-up. With your hands forming a diamond shape, this intensely works your tricep and inner chest. This intense variation is great for building tricep strength and sculpting the chest, showcasing the versatility of bodyweight exercises in targeting specific muscle groups.
Place your hands together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your fingers. Lower your body down, keeping the elbows close to your torso. Then push back up. This intense variation primarily works your triceps and the inner chest.
And finally, pike push-up. This exercise shifts more weight to your shoulders and upper back. Pike push-ups are fantastic for shoulder strength and stability. They also engage the core muscles, enhancing functional strength necessary for daily activities.
Let's dive into the pike push-up, an effective shoulder and core exercise. Start in a high plank, then lift your hips into an inverted V. Now lower your head towards the ground, elbow angled back. Push back up, maintaining a strong core. Keep movements controlled and breathe evenly. This exercise strengthens your deltoids and triceps, enhancing upper body strength.
Excellent work today. Through these push-up variations, we have targeted multiple muscle groups, showcasing the power of bodyweight training. Thank you so much for joining. And remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay motivated.